Welcome to LakshayIndia case study on how to become a yacht designer in India. In this case study, we have brought data from existing yacht designers of India, so it becomes easier for upcoming aspirants to gain complete knowledge. We will discuss all steps in detail and also give clear idea on salary structures of yacht designers. Ever looked at a fancy yacht and thought, wow, I wish I designed that? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to become a yacht designer step by step from high school all the way to your dream job. Get ready. It's going to be awesome. Ever dreamt of designing those amazing yachts? This video is your guide to becoming a yacht designer. Designing a yacht isn't just about making it look cool, though that's a big part of it. It's about mixing luxury with serious engineering. Yachts need to be safe, handle rough seas, and look amazing. Think of yourself as a creative engineer building incredible spaces where people can relax and explore the ocean. So, you're in high school and dreaming of yachts? Great, time to hit the books. Focus on math, physics, art, and design. Computer skills are super important too. Learn CAD software and practice sketching. A strong start now will help you later. Okay, you aced high school. Now it's college time. You have choices. Naval architecture and marine engineering is a direct path. Industrial or product design are good options too. Some schools even have special yacht design programs. Do your research and find what's best for you. If you're serious, you want to go to a school known for making great yacht designers. Places like the University of Southampton in the UK, Politecnico di Milano in Italy, the online West Lawn Institute of Marine Technology, or the Istituto Europeo di Design. These are top schools for yacht design with teachers who really know the industry. You'll learn a lot in school, but to really shine, you need some key skills. Naval architecture, understanding how boats float and move. CAD software, your main design tool. And don't forget your artistic side. You need a good eye for design, understand materials, and be great at managing projects. Because building a yacht is a big job. Time to get some real-world experience. Internships and apprenticeships are key. You'll work with experienced designers, learn the ropes, and make important contacts. Go to boat shows and marine expos. It's a great way to meet people in the industry. While building your resume, try some freelance work. Design a small fishing boat or a sleek kayak. This helps you build your portfolio and get your name out there. Websites like Behance and LinkedIn are great for showing off your work. Learning never stops, especially in yacht design. A master's degree in yacht design or composite materials can give you an advantage. Certifications from groups like RENA or SNAME show you're a serious professional. Your portfolio is your chance to show off your best work. Fill it with amazing 3D models, detailed blueprints, and beautiful pictures of your designs. Show off projects from internships too. Let your talent shine. You've worked hard, you have the skills, now it's time to get that dream job. Entry-level jobs like junior designer or CAD designer are great places to start. From there, you can become a senior yacht designer, project manager, or even start your own design business. The possibilities are endless. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know to become a yacht designer. It's challenging but rewarding. With hard work, you can do it. The ocean is huge and there's always room for talented yacht designers. Start sketching. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy designing. Follow these steps and start your exciting career in yacht design. Like, share, and subscribe for more career advice.